Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. This is your friend Zaid Afzaldar, and you're watching my channel Living in Saudi Arabia. If you have not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon so that you receive all the notifications on time and every time. Today is Sunday, 27th March 2022. Let's have a look at today's gold prices in the UAE. Starting with the 1 gram price of the 24 carats gold without VAT price is 231.26 and with VAT is 242.82. 1 gram price for 22 carats gold without VAT is 212.29 and with VAT is 222.90. 1 gram price of 21 carats gold without VAT is 202.35 and with VAT is 212.47. For 18 carats gold, 1 gram price without VAT is 173.44 and with VAT is 182.11. 14 carats gold, 1 gram price without VAT is 135.28 and with VAT is 142.04. The 10 carats gold, 1 gram price without VAT is 96.43 and with VAT is 101.25. The 6 carats gold 1 gram price without VAT is 57.81 and with VAT is 60.70. I hope you'll find this information useful, and if this information is useful to you, please like this video and please share this video with your friends so that everyone gets the latest update. Thank you very much. Allah Hafiz.